guys, stop scrolling. You're not ready for this. What if I told you you could build a viral AI influencer in seconds?
Yep, no camera, no face, no stress. APOB AI lets you generate ultra-realistic avatars with total control.
Yeah, like age, style, even background vibes.
Sunset rain, or neon nights. Then boom, bring them to life. Talking videos, face swaps, animated promos, done in a click. People are already cashing in. Thousands of faceless creators are pulling in serious money, all powered by AI. 600,000 plus influencers created so far. And yeah, you get 80 free credits daily to try it all. You can use it to make music videos, podcast avatars, brand promos, or full TikTok personalities that run 24/7. No editing skills needed, no burnout, just type and create.
Ready to go viral without ever showing your face?
Try APOB and build your AI influencer now.
Yeah, that's all.